Hey, what's up, Ay, maingay ba? Sorry, ate.
Hey, what's going on, guys? I just want to make a short video. So we've reached 1,000 subscribers sa YouTube.
Wow!
So I was thinking of a giveaway item sana, pero because of the occurring pandemic, kung magsasend ako ng item, it will take like 2 months, ganun. So parang useless din lang kung may manalo tapos makukuha niya ng matagal. So gusto ko lang mag-share ng blessings. Gusto ko mag-share ng 100 Canadian dollars as part of my giveaway sa pag-reach ng 1,000 milestone subs. Actually, joining is easy sa giveaway. So basically, you have to follow this and subscribe to her channel. And then this one, subscribe to her channel, take a screenshot and send or post to my Facebook page, which is What's Next. Ilalagay ko na lang din sa description. Let's make it 3 winners. One will win $50 and then 2 will win $25 each. So basically 100. So after you've subscribed, after you've taken a screenshot and post it on my Facebook page, all you have to do is comment on this video, done, and then paste the link na post nyo dun sa page ko. So the mechanics is posted on the description. Pakibasa na lang please kung hindi nyo naiintindihan. So I will be picking winners after a week from this video is out. So good luck. See you next week. Bye.